Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how you can disable Wi-Fi calling. So just go into settings, and once you're here, just scroll down all the way down, and you can click on the app section over here, and then go down and find phone, or you can just search for phone in the bottom. F and you can just click on the phone, and once you're here you will find Wi-Fi calling somewhere down. So you'll find it over here. Just click on that, and once you're here you can choose which SIM card you want to use. You can use your primary or secondary. So since I have the primary one on, so I'll just click on that one, and here you can just click on enable. So this is how you can enable Wi-Fi calling. But so I mostly keep it off because I do not want it to interfere with my mobile network. So it is much better if you keep it off, or if you still want to keep it on, you can go ahead and click enable and just keep it on. So this is how you can change your Wi-Fi calling, or disable or enable the calling. So if you guys found this video helpful, do subscribe to my channel. I make similar content like this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.